Hi folks, Russ here with Preston UK. We're working on some Amtico today. I think you might call this herringbone. It's a very unusual design, something that we don't see a lot of, and it takes a lot of skill to install this correctly. We're here today because the supplier of the floor, the people that supplied the floor and installed the floor, have kindly agreed for us to deep clean and seal the floor as part of the service. So what we're going to do, we're going to remove the surface residues. It might be a little bit difficult to see, but there are some sort of around this area here. It's just really where the tiles get damp and the people walk on them, and it transfers soil from the shoes or anything from the fitter's hands or whatever. But anyway, what we're going to do, we're going to deep clean this floor and we're going to seal it using Dr Schutz Secure Matte Hard Seal. It's going to offer a really lovely matte stroke satin finish, and because this floor should not be shiny, it is dull, very dull, and it's supposed to be dull. It's got no shine to it whatsoever. So there you go. Right, let's get on with the deep cleaning, and we'll come back to this in a bit. We have just completed this floor. It's deep cleaned and it's been dressed with Dr Schutz Secure Hard Seal. The sealant has achieved a nice satin finish, and with the correct maintenance, there's no reason why this floor will not continue to look like this for 12 to 18 months. We do, as an option, have a maintenance kit which contains 750 mils of the PU cleaner, a quality microfiber mop, and a refill to go with that mop. We also leave our customers with plastic overshoes, so the floor can be walked on around about an hour after the final coat goes on, and until the floor has cured, and that's usually 24 hours. So I'm going to change, just going to move over here so we don't have the glare of the sun coming through the doors there, but I just thought I would just show you how that's looking there. It's surprising how much dirt we released from this brand new floor, and it's certainly looking a lot better. So there you have it. Cleaned and dressed and ready for the furniture.